Thank you for your interest in these incredible machines. They have supported us in war and peace. Let us remember those heroic crews too. The Antonov A-n-178 is a short-range medium-airlift military transport aircraft designed by the Ukrainian Antonov company and based on the Antonov A-n-158. It was announced on February 5, 2010, rolled out on April 16, 2015, and the maiden flight was on May 7, 2015. The A-n-178 is proposed to replace outdated aircraft like the A-n-12, A-n-26, and A-n-32. The A-n-178 is a potential competitor for the Embraer KC-390 from Brazil. The company plans to build more than 200 of the aircraft. A-n-178 is a high-wing transport aircraft with moderately swept wing, winglets, and a T-tail. The airframe is made of aluminium alloys and composite materials. The fuselage is semi-monocoque with a circular cross-section. The retractable landing gear consists of two main wheel bogies and a dual nose wheel. The flight control system is dual duplex fly-by-wire system, consisting of two parts, FCS-A and FCS-B, each of which is responsible for two control channels. The flight control surfaces include ailerons near the wing tips for control spoilers, 6 speed brake spoilers, rudder and elevators, with an emergency mechanical cable backup system. It can shift 18 tons over 1,000 kilometers or 10 tons over 4,000 kilometers. The aircraft was derived from the 99-seat An-158 regional airliner and was fitted with the commonized F-1 fuselage nose section with the identical flight deck, wing panels, empennage, and most of the onboard systems. The fuselage, however, was newly created with an enlarged diameter that had grown from 3.35 meters to 3.9 meters, which has resulted in an enlarged cargo hold. The cargo cabin cross-section increased to 2.75 meters by 2.75 meters. Aside from the wing structure, outer panels, front fuselage nose, cockpit, and nose landing gear, which come from the An-158, there is an extra pair of tandem main wheels on each side. The aircraft made its Western debut at the 2015 Paris Air Show. Thanks, you have reached the end of the journey. Take care, see you pretty soon. Safe flight.